Hello and welcome to another quick update for Bitcoin and Cardano, beginning of the week. Hope you all have a great week. And it starts quite good for some cryptos. For example, XRP here, 87 cents. We saw Harmony 1 performing well yesterday, currently at a key support. Terra Luna continues to work well here. And also Hedera is doing well. So there are a few that are doing really well. Others just moving sideways, losing as well. So it is still a bit of a difficult environment. There's no clear up or down trend, and we can see that just by looking at the Bitcoin chart, because this is still struggling, so moving sideways, slightly down. I did say yesterday in the video that I would expect it to break out to the upside fairly soon if this primary scenario that I showed you, the ABC, is supposed to be working out. Now, to keep you just updated, currently moving towards a key support here. You can see the horizontal, at 45.5k. That is, if I zoom out, go to the left, that's the 0.382 fib level here. That is where we did find support here a couple of days ago, and this is also where I would expect us to come down to once more before we then hopefully finally move here to the upside. This is a descending wedge that we're forming, bullish pattern, and I would expect a breakout from here. Never guaranteed, but I think it's more likely than not that we're going higher from here into this target area between 55 and 63k. From there we then come down. And if we can take a look at the daily, remember yesterday we were waiting for that bullish crossover on the MACD, and there you go, there it is. It's a bullish crossover on the MACD. Doesn't necessarily need to mean much, because we had it here in November and it didn't really do anything. Not a lot though. But yeah, it's a first good sign that we might really have a beginning here of that breakout. The price action doesn't confirm that yet though, but as you can see here, we're moving really towards that horizontal support line. So we're at a key support level here at the moment, and this is what I would expect to happen throughout the week. It could be a few more days like that, could trickle down a little bit more, but if this scenario is to be playing out, I think we need to see the breakout fairly soon. I don't think we're just going through here as we did in this sort of descending wedge, that we just continue through that horizontal support. This one is just too relevant for that. We already found support here on the 17th and the 18th, so I don't think that we're just going to go here without any major reaction to the price. That's just my view, and this I think will be reached in the next couple of days. So there might be a few more days, but also I said in my, was it in the member live stream yesterday, I think, or also in the video, that before year end I don't expect massive moves in price, because a lot of the institutional investors, they are now waiting for the year end stuff. They're just doing their finance stuff, year end results, everything's basically, they've got their plans, they've got their results. I don't think they're going to do any crazy moves now in terms of investing in cryptocurrency before year end. They will save that for January. Also here, ADA, good news is still waiting here above the support line. So we've got this orange ascending support line that we are just moving along really. We're not really doing anything. There was this triangle here, well, now that was invalidated. Just moving the trend line here really now. And yeah, we're just waiting for Bitcoin, I think, to make a move. I think Cardano is waiting for Bitcoin at the moment, waiting for a move here. And I mean, we're now moving into another apex, but that could just easily be invalidated just by moving along this ascending trend line. Again, we lost it a few times, but we always reclaimed it back. Here, when we lost it, we found support at this triangle support line, lost it again, found support again, lost it again, didn't lose it here. But we are now between the 0.887 fib level resistance and that support, and that doesn't leave us much space to move, as you can see. So again, today or tomorrow, I think there will be a decision here as well. We're moving along this support line. That's actually quite positive if we move at least along this support line, and if we can hold above it until Bitcoin does that move up, then we could also move higher with it. Looking at what Cardano or what Bitcoin could do, moving into this target area here. From there, if we take a look at the percentage, this would move between 18% and 35 roughly. So if Cardano did that, because there were a few questions, then I would expect Cardano from where we are currently to move up between 145. So that would be that fib level here, the 0.786 at 145, and 35% around 167. So maybe we can even reach the 175. That was a very important resistance level, 175, not a fib level, but we did find resistance here before at 175. That's quite a significant high. So I would say from in the range, if Bitcoin moves up, then I think Cardano can reach a 145 and maybe even a 175. Somewhere in that range I would expect the price to land in that big correction of Bitcoin before we then move down. But again, it's not guaranteed to work out, but I think that's the most likely scenario. This is currently looking like a B wave playing out. As I showed you yesterday, we've got this here from the low. You've got an A and a B and a C within the wave B. That is how a wave B looks like. It's a part of the wave B is an A, B, C again. So that seems to be playing out here, and then exactly here at the 45.5, 45.7 level, that's where I would expect the turnaround to the upside. And we're getting close. We're getting very, very close. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.